Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is OP. I am a mom of 4. I have a 7-year-old, 6-year-old, 4-year-old, and a 5-month-old baby boy. And I am also a working mom and a wife. So if this is something that you will be interested in, continue watching my channel. I hope this gives you guys motivation to tidy up a space in your home that needs a little bit more loving. Today you will see that I am cleaning up my kitchen and I'm also prepping dinner, because we have so much to do as busy moms. So why not get it done together? Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to show your love and support. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. I post weekly cleaning videos, any type of mom life, daily life, and everything in between. Thank you guys so much and enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.
You got me dancing in a storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, thank you guys so much for staying through the entire video, watching my kids having fun, just jumping around in the background. And just to show you guys, I did not edit this part out because this is real life. This is what it is to record videos and edit and then see the kids in the background just jumping and having fun. So, but this is the final result of cleaning my kitchen, guys. It did not last. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you some motivation to clean up a space in your home. And I hope that you come back again and check out the rest of my videos. I upload once a week, and it's all about mommy life, home life, cleaning, cooking, and just showing you guys what we do here. So don't forget to subscribe, show some love, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys on another video. Bye.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I like to be, a different